we are taking into account how to make money, how to win the Euro Jackpot, how to earn money in the Euro Jackpot for today, which is the 2nd of September, the year 2022. So, based on the results of the Euro Jackpot, this is the Euro Jackpot game history. We start from the number one, draw number one, then it continues. So now, currently we are on draw number, which is draw number 568. That is the August 30th of the year 2022. The next result is draw number 569 for 2nd September the year 2022, which is Tuesday. So the last winning numbers we have 18, 27, 41, 45, and 49. So these were the set of numbers that we are having for the Euro jackpot. Now, based on the results of the Euro jackpot, we want to find out the possible way that we can get some set of numbers that are likely to drop in the Euro jackpot for today. So I've written the numbers here. The last winning numbers, I've written them here. So let's go to the system and find out where the system has dropped three of these numbers already. So let's go to draw number 27. So when you go to draw number, which is draw number 27, we have 18, 29, 41, 44, and 49. All right. So 18, 41, and 49. 18, 41, 49. Let's see. They are in the results. Okay. 18, 41, 49. They are in the last results of the Euro jackpot. So the next draw is draw number 28. So we need to pick 5, 14, 16, 34, and 39. Okay. So let's pick those numbers. So we have 5, 14, then also the number 16, 34, 39. So we have 16, 34, 39. All right. So let's go to the next one, which is draw number 139. So draw number 139, we can locate it here. All right. So draw number 139. So it happened on the November 14, the year 2014. So we have the number 22, 25, 41, 45, and the number 49. So the last three numbers, 41, 45, 49. We have 41, 45, 49. That means that the next results, a draw 4, 18, 35, 41, and the number 43. So we have to pick those numbers. So 4, 18, 35. So we have 4, 18, 35. All right. Now let's go to the next one. So we have 41 and 43. So we need to add those numbers. 41, 43. All right. Now let's go to the next, which is draw number 378. So draw number 378. So draw number 378. We can locate it here. So it was on the June 14, the year 2019. So we have 8, 23, 40, 41, and 42. So let's see. Let me see if we have the list in the numbers. Let me see. No, it is rather the next one, which is draw number 379. Yeah. So 20, 27, 37, 41, and 45. Okay. So when you check the result, you have 27, 41, 45. 27, 41, 45. All right. So there's three numbers there. So we need to pick the below numbers, which is the next results with the draw number 380. So 380, we have 18, 25, 26, 35, and 38. So 18, 25, 26. Let's write those numbers. 18, 25, 26. And the next numbers we have 35 and 38. So 35, 38. All right. Now let's go to the next one, which is draw number 516. Draw number 516. So draw number 516, that was on the February 4th of the year 2022. We have 12, 18, 27, 33, and 41. So we need to pick the numbers. So we have 18, 27, and 41. Okay, 18, 27, 41. So they are on the list of numbers. So the next line is draw number 517. So we have 5, 10, 26, 37, 42. So we have to pick those numbers. So 5, 10, 26. So we have 5, 10, 26. Then also we have 37 and 42. So 37, 42. 37, 42. Then the last one is draw number 532. Draw number 532. Draw number 532. Let's go there. 532. So draw number 532. Remember that this is the Euro Million. Okay. This is the Euro Jackpot, rather. This is the Euro Jackpot 590 game history. The Euro Jackpot. Remember that this channel is new. It is called the Million Jackpot. Alright. So this is the Million Jackpot channel. Subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share our videos. Alright. So we have draw number 532. We have 10, 27, 32, 41, and 49. Okay, so 27, 41, 49. We are part of the winning numbers. 27, 41, 49. 27, 41, 49. Okay, so this means that we need to pick the below numbers 5, 6, 17, 20, 18, and 34. 5, 6, 17, 18, and 34. So we pick 5, 6, 18, also 17, and 34. All right. So these are the 5 sets that we can pick from the Euro Jackpot. All right. So the Euro Jackpot. So these are the likely sale number for the Euro Jackpot that we can rely on. All right. Now, so let's go and see the numbers. So to get our entire likely set of number for the Euro Jackpot, that means that we have to do the numbers that are repeated. We have to separate from those that have not did not repeat it within the list. Then after that, we try to group the numbers again to get our entire set of numbers. So we have 5 over here, we have 5, and we have 5. So we need to write 5. Okay, 5 drop 3 times. All right, 3 times. Then the next number is 14. So then there is no 14 in the list. The next number is 34. So 34 is here. So we need to circle 34. For circle 34, we add 34 to the list, appears 2 times. Then the next number is 4. Then we see 39 is here. No 39. No 39. Alright, the next number is 4. No 4. The next number is 18. We have 18 in the list. Alright. So 18 is here, 18 is here. So we have 18 to the power 2 appear twice. The next number is 35, 1, 35, 2. So we need to circle 35 and 35. So 35, we added 35 appear twice. Alright. The next number is 41. No, 41, 43, 1. Okay. And 18, let's do our counting word. 18 is 3. Alright. So let's do our counting word. 18 to the power 3. Alright. Then the next number is 43, no 43, 25, no 25. The next number is 26, 26 over there. All right. So we have 26, 26. So 26, 2. All right. So the next number is 38, no 38. 10, 5, 17. All right. So in this situation, the likely numbers for the Euro Jackpot for today, which is the 2nd of September, the year 2022, include 5, 34, 18, 35, and the number 26. So these are the top five numbers that we have. Then when we finish, that's not the end. We need to also write this set of numbers. Those that do not repeat in the list: 14, 16, 39, 4, 41, 43, 25, 38, 10, 37, 42, 6, and 17. They are also likely to drop. So let's write them. So let's screw them. So this is the hot ones. Okay, this is the hot numbers for the Euro jackpot. Okay, for today, which is the 2nd of September, the year 2022. So let's consider the next one. We have 14. Let's group them. 16. We also have 39. We have 74. We have 41. We have 43. I'm writing those that are not repeated. Okay. So we have 25. Okay. Then we have 38. We have 10. We have 37. We have 42. And we have 6. And we also have 17. All right. 17. So these are the serial numbers. So the second hot, okay, this is the first hot, first the first hot numbers, and this is the second hot number. Second, this is the second hot numbers. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are 13 set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 set of numbers. All right. So this 5, you can use it as your jackpot number street. All right. So let's see. Let's get our entire set of numbers. So we have the entire. We have to write this one and write this one to get the entire set of number that we have. So we have 5. We have 34. We have 18. We have 35. We have 26. We also have 14. Okay. Then we have 16, 39, 74. We have 41, 43. We have 25. Then we have 38. We have 10, 37, 42, 6, and 17. So these are the entire list of numbers that we have for the Euro jackpot. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 third of numbers. So these are the likely numbers, okay? Likely numbers, right? Numbers for the Euro jackpot. Euro jackpot. So the Euro jackpot likely numbers for today, which is the 2nd of September, the year 2022. These are the entire set of numbers, okay? But use this one as your jackpot straight numbers, all right? So this is the entire list of numbers. This is the first hot numbers, and this is the second hot numbers, and this is the entire list of numbers that I like to draw. From 1 to 50, these are the best ones that we can sell, all right? Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in another video. Have a good day.